How to navigate the course, week 1. Let's go to our course, Admin of Moodle with AI, and have a look at the interface. You can see 3 columns. On the left-hand side, there's course index. In the middle, it's topic section. And right-hand side, it's block area. Now, let's go to more details answers. What specific features are available in the course index? The course index on the left displays a structured, collapsible list of all course sections and activities. It allows quick navigation between weeks, videos, tutorials, and resources. Each item is marked with an icon, and the current section is highlighted. Users can expand or collapse individual topics and see their progress through checkmarks. What specific features are available in the topic section? Each topic section, week 1, week 2, and so on, contains learning materials such as introduction, video tutorial, activity instructions, links to external tools, and text-based explanations. Tabs at the top about the course orientation, week 1, week 2, etc. make it easy to switch between sections. The topic section includes multimedia, descriptive text, and instructions for tasks such as creating video introductions with AI tools. What specific features are available in the block area? On the right side, the block area includes dynamic blocks such as support, contact blocks, linking to the facilitators linked in, announcements showing recent updates from the instructor, activities, online users, comments, completion progress, level up, latest badges, my certificates, and stash. Now, let's answer more personal questions. How did the design and functionality of the course make you feel? The design feels clean and intuitive with a clear layout that separates navigation, content, and support areas. The use of tabs and well-organized index makes the environment predictable and easy to follow. The presence of announcements and support options creates a sense of connection and guidance, which makes the course feel welcoming and well-structured. How does the Moodle course compare to other digital or virtual platforms you have used? What makes a Moodle course stand out in terms of engagement? Compared to many platforms, Moodle offers more structure and flexibility. The combination of the course index, weekly tabs, and block area creates a strong sense of organization. Moodle stands out because it supports a wide variety of resource types, integrates forums, activities, and AI tool links, and allows learners to track progress. It encourages engagement through step-by-step navigation, multimedia, and interactive elements. In what ways do you think a Moodle course can be utilized in educational professional settings? How can these features enhance learning, collaboration, or other activities? Moodle can be used for online courses, professional training, onboarding, workshops, and continuous education. Features such as forms, assignments, multimedia resources, progress tracking, and AI-enhanced tasks help learners stay engaged and organized. Moodle structure supports self-paced learning, collaborative discussions, competency-based training, and blended learning models. Are there any aspects of course that you think could be improved to enhance engagement even further? What additional features or changes would you suggest? Small improvements could include adding short video explanation for each weekly tab, using interactive elements such as quiz or quick polls, and providing a more visible progress bar, integrating AI-generated walkthrough or chat-based guidance directly inside each sections might further enhance engagement and accessibility, especially for beginners or elder learners. Thank you for your attention.